Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll answer the question, tell me about yourself in a job interview. Don't forget there are key foundations when answering this question. So the first key foundation, start with a brief personal introduction. Begin by mentioning your name and a one-sentence overview of your professional background. Number 2, highlight your relevant experience. Share your most significant and relevant professional experiences. And the third, your skills and qualifications. So highlight key skills, qualifications, and strengths that make you strong for the role. Number 4, explain why you're interested in this position. So show enthusiasm for the role and the company. Number 5, summarize your career goals. Share your long-term career goals and how this role aligns with them. Number 6, to conclude with a transition. Wrap up your response by indicating your eagerness to discuss your skills and experience. So I'll give you an example of a good response. Tell me about yourself. You'll tell them, sure, I'd be happy to. My name is your name, and then I have X years of experience in your whatever field you are. So you mention what field you're in. And in my most recent role at the previous company, mention any significant accomplishment or responsibility that you've done in your previous company related to that job that you're applying for. I also have a strong background in, mention another relevant skill or experience that you have. So you have to mention at least 2 skills. And then tell them which I believe would be valuable for this role at the current company you're applying for. And then tell them I'm particularly excited about this opportunity at this current company because. Then mention anything specific about the company or the role that attracted you. So you have to research about this job that you're applying for. And then tell them I'm confident that my skills in, then mention a key skill. Then, and my experience in, then mention a relevant experience. Align perfectly with the needs of this position. And then in the long term, I'm passionate about, mention your career goals, mention your continuous learning, leadership, contributing to a specific industry. So I see this role as an excellent opportunity to further develop my skills and contribute to the growth of the current company you're applying for. Tell them, I'm looking forward to discussing in more detail how my background and experience can benefit this current company that you are applying for. Remember to customize your response to the specific job and company you're interviewing with. Keep it concise, positive, and relevant to the position. And practice your answer to ensure you can deliver it in confidently and smoothly during the interview. So once again, if you want to see more videos or guides, please check out my other videos. Once again, I am Bayan Morgan Say, your coach ng Bayan.